Good morning. Good to be talking to you again. And as usual, there's a lot going on in the world that we all live in. I've just had a fantastic trip to Scotland, actually, which I'd really like to mention. I went to the east coast of Scotland and I visited maternity units at Kirkcaldy and at Falkirk. And I also went to Edinburgh and down to the borders to see the unit at Melrose. It was fantastic. I saw a huge range of maternity services, from really quite small obstetric units, midwifery-led units, through to the very big, busy Royal Edinburgh Infirmary. Fantastic midwifery-led units being developed, lovely new units at Kirkcaldy and Falkirk. I had a really good time. It was fantastic seeing what's going on up there. Nearer to my base, lots going on in England particularly, with the health bill now having passed through the system and ready to be put into operation. We don't know quite what that's going to mean for us in maternity services in England, but we're continuing to do lots of work ensuring that there's a good outcomes framework in place for maternity. We're lobbying for maternity networks, and we're trying to make sure that the new system works well. Excuse me. We're also consulting with you at the moment on pensions, and I hope everybody will have their say on that. There's good news actually around in terms of some of the things that really matter to us. Numbers of midwives are the highest they've ever been. Now that may seem strange to you if you're struggling to deliver services in your own unit, but that is the fact, and we've got to be glad about that at the RCM. That doesn't mean we aren't continuing to lobby for more midwives, however, because the other bit of news is that the birth rate's continuing to rise. So we've still got the gap. But the good news about that is we've got our Minister, Anne Milton, on record saying that should the birth rate continue to rise, then student midwifery training places will continue to be protected. So it's kind of good news, not so good news, and then more good news. So I think all we can do is remain optimistic and keep lobbying where we can. On a personal front, I enjoyed the great weather this last weekend. I was up in Scotland again, climbing the hills. I hope you're enjoying some sunshine yourselves. Bye for now.